up for auction. There's some really nice maritime naval war pieces. I'm gonna walk around the table and check them all out. This one needs the most description probably. This is a large, probably 100-pound case issued by the U.S. Navy Special Devices Center. It's about 1,900 recognition slides that identify airplanes and ships mostly. I pulled a few out here. You can see them, they're laid out here. This box, this side goes up to 1,000. And then there's another side to the suitcase with another 900. As you see here, these have everything from French to Russian. The dates go back to the 40s. And they're glass slides with paper borders. For instance, this identifies the Bison USSR bomber, September 1st, 1955. And it shows a silhouette of the bomber. Some show, multiple shots. Let's see here. Some fighters. There are some ships as well. Here's a Swedish 1955 ID'd. A Swedish ship. Very cool, especially if you had a projector. You could really go to town on this. And again, these are about 1,900 slides. Took a lot of time on that. This is trench art, though it was made on a ship, kind of a misnomer. There's the anchor, it's a working lamp. This is from the SS Pan Golf, who had multiple lives doing different things. I have some very cool lights, also wartime and later. Obviously this one has some nice patina. A nice chromed light that was painted black, so it could have been from a battleship. This is General Electric, and these are. This is another Perco as well as that one. This is a pretty standard, I believe, a 1950s finder range, or that, as Yoda would say, we would say rangefinder. It's a bifocal type, which would use both lenses on the outside to give you a focal point in the distance for some type of, maybe a mortar launch. This is probably the coolest item. This is a telescope from a battleship. It's marked here, easily ID'd as a Navy piece. It's the Mark 66, made by the Naval in Washington, D.C., an ordnance. Again, you look on this side. This was from a battleship. It's serial number 212, Mark 1943. Super cool. Weighs about 60 pounds. These items will all be up for auction in spring of 2020. Just wanted to show them all to you before I set them free to the collectors. We'll have them forever. Thank you very much for looking. Take care. There'll be more pictures of each of these items individually as they get listed. Cool, thanks for looking. This thing actually had a lens. You could change filter to yellow and red. And, probably get a good view into my neighbor's garage. Thanks for looking.